I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by ensuring your site meets basics, WordPress and PHP versions, and a recent backup. Next, install WP Job Manager from Plugins, right arrow, add new, and activate it. Once activated, go to Job Listing Settings to create pages and configure permalinks, because clean URLs keep listings searchable. Make sure you set a submissions page now. This first step unlocks the forms and shortcodes required for the next setup phase, so don't skip it. Now focus on the middle steps, creating the core pages using the plugin shortcodes and linking them in settings, because those pages host the applicant workflow. Customize the submission form fields to collect exactly what you need and mark required fields to reduce incomplete posts. Then set listing durations, application method, email or external URL, and job types or categories to organize listings. Once done, test by submitting a draft listing to validate form logic, finish by publishing a live job and walking through the applicant experience to confirm everything works end-to-end. Then integrate add-ons like resumes, payment gateways, or employer dashboards if you require monetization or richer profiles. Make sure to test email notifications and moderation workflows. If something goes wrong, listings not visible or submission failing, clear caches, resave permalinks, and temporarily disable other plugins to find conflicts. This method quickly isolates common issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.